VeriDoc Education Induction. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you VeriDoc Education Portal, which is a product of VeriDoc Global Private Limited. This platform allows users to create certificates from scratch and converts data from the certificates into a hash, which is stored on blockchain instantly for verification and validation. This is a great tool which is designed for institutions who would like to use blockchain for leveraging their certificate integrity. By the end of this tutorial, you will be equipped with the knowledge base required to help you understand various aspects of this product. Let's start with the login screen. Initially, VeriDoc Global will provide every user with a login and password that the user will use to start using our education portal. The access level provided by VeriDoc Global backend is called Master Admin. This access is not just responsible for creating new certificates, but also for managing scopes, users, and other account-related settings. Let's see a breakdown of different access levels for each user to begin with. Firstly, in the green level, you can see a Master Admin access created by VeriDoc Global backend. Then, there are different access levels created by the Master Admin internally for each institution. Master Admin can choose between two access levels. One is admin and the other is creating another master level access. We will get to it in a minute. But first, let's look at this flow that shows how VeriDoc is responsible for creating a number of Master Admin accounts, and then each Master Admin account is managing their admins locally. Let's go back to our web interface. Here you can see Forgot Password takes the user to Password Reset screen, where user can add their email to receive a password reset web URL, or they can go back to Login area by pressing Know Your Password, Login. You must be wondering that we do not have a Register Now button here. This is because we will be managing each master user access from backend, and general public will have to register on VeriDoc Global website for testing out our technology components. In case someone without the access to Use Education Portal lands on this screen, they can click on Not a User Yet. Contact Us button, which will direct them to our Contact Us page, through which they can show their interest to gain access, and our business team will get in touch with them instantaneously. Here, I am using the Master Admin Access login to take you through all the features that Master Admin can utilize to help them with certificate creation and management.